Yeah, 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 yeah. We are the students of Acharya. துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் துய்யனின் பாதத்தில் அன்பு முதவி பெரிய தொண்டரோடு கூட்டு கண்டாய் அலையாழி அருதுயல் மாயனது தங்கையே ஆதி கடவுரின் வாழ்வே அமுதீசர் ஒரு பாக மகளாத சுகபாணி அருள்வாணி அபிராமியே அமுதீசர் ஒரு பாகம் அகலாத சுகபாணி அருள்வாணி அபிராமியே அருள்வாணி அபிராமியே. Very good, Bihu. Say
How many days do we celebrate Navaratri?
9 days.
Which is the national animal?
Tiger.
Which is the national flower?
Lotus.
Which is the fastest growing grass?
Bamboo.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Which is the national bird?
Peacock.
Which is the national fruit?
Mango.
Name an animal that can change its skin color.
Chameleon.
What are the primary colors?
Red.
Who makes sports?
Water makes sports.
Who goes to space?
Astronaut.
How do you feel to be an Indian?
I feel proud to be an Indian.
How many days make a week?
7 days.
Who bakes buns?
Baker base buns.
What is the name of the chakra in the center of the national flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
Who takes care of the plant in the field?
Farmer.
Which festival is called as Harvest Festival in Tamil Nadu?
Pongal.
Very good. Which is the holy animal of the Hindus?
Cow.
Name the festival that celebrates the bonding between brother and sister.
Raksha Bandhan.
Very good, Bihu.
Of month 1 and I'm going to do some spells test. This is a 2 ball. Ball in color. That moves the thing. Arranging.
Super. Very good. Months of the year. Very good.
E
ரெடிமா?
That's the door. That's the book. That's the window.